Ben, what are you doing?
Put him at.
I just keep them for myself.
Oh!
Oh!
Where'd he go?
Where are you, Benny?
To the ball. Good throw. Oh!
Yeah, but we're still working on the catching.
Over here. Oh, that was pretty good form.
Ooh, Nate Dogg caught it.
Oh! We're working on the catching part. Is it?
Oh!
What, you or Ben?
Yeah, clearly Ben. What?
You have a far throw.
Off the wall.
Oh.
Oh!
You go.
Grounder.
I think people that had